tell me what you think fulfillment is. Let's just start there. And just any ideas you have. What is fulfillment to you? Yes, sir. Satisfaction. Okay, good. Yes, ma'am. Okay, good. Getting paid for what you like to do. Perfect. Anything else? Any other ideas? Yes, sir. A sense of purpose. Very nice. Many people will say, okay, what career am I going to go to? And they're going to say, you know, I really just want the job to pay the bills. That's about it. That's what they want their job to be, the thing that covers their bills, and they go off and do other things for fulfillment, okay? There are some people that say, oh, no, I'm going to go into the field that has the highest possible earning potential, and I'm going to make the most amount of money at that thing. That's what I'm going to have my career be. I'm going to say, and probably assume, that all of you sitting here today are not necessarily looking for just that. You're here looking for something else out of your career, okay? And what we call that, right, if we're talking about fulfillment, is that you actually want to get paid at something you feel passionate about, something you feel connected to. The minute that you look at it from the standpoint of what you love, now go look at the possibilities, it becomes endless that way. If you start from the other vantage point of, well, what's available, who's hiring, and oh, maybe I'll fit in, it's so limited. You're limiting yourself, of which then you're not going to end up finding fulfillment that way, right? This is what I say fulfillment is. This is my spin, having now gone through my career path, being so clear about what I'm passionate about, but yet every time I took a different job in a different direction, it didn't quite satisfy. So now it becomes, what is fulfillment? I say it's a two-part formula. The first part is to actually get very clear about your self-expression. We're talking about something that is unique to you, something that is so passionate, your purpose. What is your life for? I want you to imagine, fast forward in your life, you're on your deathbed, okay? You're looking back over your life. What would you want your life to be about? What is the legacy you want to leave behind? We like to think that life is a linear, straight line with checkpoints where we go, okay, great, we planned this, yay, check, right? Okay, great, now we go along, wonderful, check, and that we've accomplished those things. But life tends to be a lot more like that, right? As I've said before, it's never going to be that something outside of yourself comes along and just happens to you. It's never going to be that way. Fulfillment always starts from the inside and then out.